this video, we're going to look at how to construct a Screen Excellence VistaCurve curved fixed frame screen. As with any screen, the first step once you unpack your VistaCurve from Screen Excellence is to make sure that you have every component listed on the packing list that you will find in the user manual. Once you've done that and you're sure that you have everything, we can move on to the construction. The first step of the construction is to join the two halves of the top and bottom rails. The way that that works is we use one of these metal joining pieces and it simply slides into the aluminium profile. Like all Screen Excellence connecting rods, the aluminium profile has been pre-drilled with holes in the correct position to allow you to screw this part together. Now, before we connect the other two sections, we just simply insert a screw to hold the connecting rod securely in place. Now that this section is held securely in place, we can join the two halves together. Now we just use the second set of screws to lock everything in place. Now that we've completed the assembly of the top and bottom sections, we need to add the coupling section, and this coupling piece is actually what mounts the screen to the wall. Once again, it's very straightforward. There are some pre-drilled holes and there are some pre-made bolt mountings on the aluminium profile. We have a useful indicator in the middle of the coupling section that should align with the middle of the screen. Further, it's important to note that the curved profile on the coupling section should match the curve on the rail that you're screwing into. It's very straightforward. We just offer it up and then insert the screws. Once you've finished screwing the coupling section into the crossbar, you find that you have a very rigid and secure structure to work with. Now that the top and bottom rails are assembled and the coupling pieces have been attached, it's time to add the sides onto the screen frame. Again, it's very straightforward. We just have an L-shaped profile which slides into the main rail. We need to insert the right-angled metal sections into the top and bottom of the two side aluminium profiles before we can slide the whole unit together. We have found that one of the most difficult tasks with the VistaCurve is connecting the side rails to the top and bottom rails. The curved top and bottom mean that it's quite difficult to install because you get some small angles. What we've found is that if you have an assistant, it's best that the two of you offer up the profile together and then just work together to tap the profile into place. To enable you to turn the screen back over and install the fabric, it is necessary that you put at least one screw into this section to hold it all together. The easiest way to do that is just to use a finger and feel underneath and you'll find the screw hole. Just insert the screw and finger tighten. With the top, bottom and side rails connected together, we turn the screen over so that we can fit the fabric. Now, one thing that's very important to notice is that we have the screen supported in all four corners with these polystyrene sections, and also in the centre we have the little mushroom pods which support the screen and allow us to lean on it for installing the fabric. The next step, of course, is to install the fabric, and one thing that you must do before that is go and wash your hands. On the VistaCurve, we install the main screen fabric first, followed by the black backing. Similar to our other models, you use the fabric insertion tool or the spatula. You take the fabric at the centre, you align the spatula with the grip fix and push down. Then you roll away, and as you can see, that forms a join. Then we continue to work around the rest of the screen in the same way. There we go, that's the screen fabric installed now. As you can see from the video, it's very straightforward. Just take your time and make sure that you get a nice tight finish. So there we go, that's the black backing layer installed as well now, over the top of the white screen material. Once again, it's very straightforward. Just take your time, make sure that the fabric is poked correctly into the grip fix, and everything will be easy. And here is the completed VistaCurve screen. If you take your time over the install, you'll find that it's an easy and clean process that will produce an excellent screen that your customers will be absolutely satisfied with. For more information, user manuals and other topics, please visit our website www.screenexcellence.com.